Dealing with embedded codes. Embedded codes are these grey codes in brackets that you can see in the text to be translated. They relate to formatting information from the source document. They may represent any type of formatting: underlined, bold, italics, etc. The first rule is that all the codes in the source should be in the target too. The red icon here means that one or several codes in your translation are missing. To replace the codes, just place your cursor wherever you want, right-click and select Copy Next Code, or press F8, and the first missing code will appear. Another solution is to right-click and select Copy All Codes. All the missing codes will appear, and then you can place them where you want in the text. When you have finished, click on another segment and the wrong code message disappears. Before and after UNESCO, you can see codes 8 and 9. 8 means beginning of bold, and 9 means end of bold. Same for World Heritage Convention. 10 means beginning of bold, and 11 means end of bold. Embedded codes 7 and 12 mark specific formatting for this paragraph or a cell in a table, which is the case here. To check this, in the QA menu, click on Check Embedded Codes. Déjà Vu warns me that the target contains text before the first code. In most cases, the first code should remain at the start of the segment. Check the embedded codes again. Déjà Vu warns that the target contains text after the last code, so the last code should in most cases remain at the very end of the segment. If I check the embedded codes again, Déjà Vu tells me that the codes in the target may not be correctly placed. This is not because code 11 is not at the right place in the translation. The real reason for this message is that codes 8 and 9 are not correctly placed. As we saw earlier on, there is a beginning and an end code. 8 was the beginning of bold, and 9 was the end of bold. This is why Déjà Vu warned me that the codes are wrongly placed. If I check again, Déjà Vu does not give me any more warnings. All the codes are correct. I can now export my translated project. Most problems when exporting are due to the embedded codes, so don't forget to check them. For more e-learning modules, visit the actual website.